Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE. Focus on building a rock-solid foundation in calculus. Start by truly understanding the core concepts of limits, continuity, and differentiability. These are the building blocks for everything else. Dedicate ample time to mastering all the fundamental differentiation and integration formulas. Practice applying these formulas to a diverse range of problems, ensuring you grasp the underlying principles. This initial effort will pay dividends as you progress through more complex topics. For the JEE, certain calculus topics are absolutely essential. Dedicate significant attention to definite and indefinite integrals, becoming proficient in various integration methods like substitution and integration by parts. Thoroughly understand the applications of derivatives, including finding tangents, normals, and determining maxima and minima. Additionally, master differential equations, particularly those of the first order and first degree, as these frequently appear in examinations. Consistent practice is paramount for success in calculus. Make it a habit to solve previous year's JEE questions. This will familiarize you with the exam structure and the types of problems asked. Aim to practice at least 20 to 30 problems daily from each topic you cover. Crucially, don't just solve them. Analyze your mistakes thoroughly. Understanding where you went wrong is key to filling conceptual gaps and significantly improving your accuracy. Effective revision and a smart exam strategy will seal your success. Compile concise notes containing all essential formulas, theorems, and common problem-solving techniques. Regular revision of all calculus topics is crucial for long-term retention and quick recall during the exam. Finally, develop strong time management skills by consistently solving mock tests under strict, timed conditions. This will help you perform optimally on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.